Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up your GoPro Hero 9 for the first time. So you can start by pressing on the power or the mode button on the side here. So press on it to turn on your GoPro camera. So for the first time, turning on your GoPro, you need to set it up. So here at the first screen, we need to choose a language. So you can swipe up and down, choose a language of your preference. I'm going to choose English and tap on the tick icon at the top, or tap on the select button, and then agreed, and then turn on GPS or turn it off. Make your selection. So here I'm going to choose on, and then it says install the GoPro app on your device. So now we're going to go to my iPhone. And on the iPhone, you want to go to App Store and look for GoPro and install the GoPro app. So I'm going to download. Okay, once it is installed, you can open up the app. And I'm going to allow access to all photos. And then I'm going to tap on OK to use Bluetooth. Now what you need to do next is you need to pair the GoPro camera. So we're going to tap on this camera button and tap on add a camera. So it's now searching for a connection to the GoPro. So it said we found your GoPro. So we're going to tap on connect camera. Bluetooth pairing request. So tap on pair. And it says connected on my iPhone. In here you can give it a name. So I'm going to give it Hero 9 Black. And tap on done. Then tap on save new name. And say new name saved. And you can now tap on let's go. So now try to connect to the device. Also, I say control your GoPro from your phone. So you can tap on the try it button. You can also tap on enable preview and then tap on continued. It says GoPro wants to join Wi-Fi network. So tap on join. So I say GoPro would like to find and connect to devices on your local network. Tap on OK. And it is. Now you can also preview what it looks like. So whatever it is that you pointing your GoPro at, it will show on your iPhone. Or if you have an Android phone, it will show on your Android phone. Now in here, you can tap on the settings icon and you can change the settings on your GoPro through the app. So here you can see this is the standard setting. We got setup, voice control language, LED, quick capture, default preset, auto off, screensaver, rear, front screen option. So you got full screen, screen off. So at the moment you can see we got the screen on at the moment. So I can choose off. And that will turn the screen off. So you can control a lot of the functions through the app. Auto lock. At the moment it's off, so you can turn on auto lock if you wanted to. LCD brightness, so you can change the brightness of your LCD while using the camera. So you can see I can increase or decrease the brightness. And we can change the orientation. GPS, you can turn it on or off. You can change the language. Anti-flicker, you got 60 or 50 hertz. And video compression, you can choose whether you want to set it at high efficiency or most compatible. Next, you got max lens attach, yes or no. If you attach the max lens to this lens cover here, so you can switch it off. So I'm going to turn it off here. Set date and time, so you can set the date and time for your GoPro 9. Okay, so for the delete function, you can delete last file. You can also delete all files from SD card through your app. And you got the camera info. So if there is an update, it will ask you to perform an update for your GoPro camera. And it can also tell you the battery level on your device and also the SD card capacity. So in here it tells you the capacity of your device and how many photos or videos is on your device. And so that's just the settings for your GoPro. Here you can record. You can also change the mode. So you got time warp, you got standard, you got photo, wide. There's also a live, so you need to set up live. And up here are the informations about batteries. There is a power button. You can tap on it to power off your GoPro. You can also view photos from your device on here on your GoPro app. If you want, you can also download them to your device or delete it. And so that's just the app. And in here, through your GoPro, you can swipe down to go into the app menu. In the app menu, there are other settings. You can lock the screen. You can change other settings in here. So keep current language. And you can change the language. There, you can lock the screen. And if you swipe across, there are other settings. You can set up the connections, preferences. In preferences, you can go down the list here, and these are the things that you can do. You can look at the mods, change the region language. You can turn GPS on or off from here, and you can go into general. In general, you can go down the list and make all the changes on your device. And so once you have set up, you're ready to go. So if you tap on connections, wireless connection is on at the moment. USB connections, Wi-Fi band, you can change the Wi-Fi band. You can also reset the connections. And that's it. So once you're happy, you can swipe up to go back to your camera, and then you can start to use your camera. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.